Meet Mark, a construction manager at a large oil and gas facility. He's in charge of building new processing units, and he's having a terrible day. He just found out that more than 4,000 flanges had been damaged. Repairing them will not only cost more than $2 million, but create a significant amount of lost time. But then a colleague tells him about Precision Piping Products and their innovative approach to protecting piping components. At Precision Piping Products, we are a solution-based company dedicated to finding specific answers for your unique piping challenges. Mark learned his lesson. For the second processing unit, he used Precision Piping Products and saved millions of dollars. At Precision Piping Products, we'll save you a significant amount of time and money and protect your assets. Find out why so many companies around the world trust us for flange protection and preservation. Contact us today for pricing and free samples.